Welcome back to another ECS Tuning Easy DIY. Today we're changing a cabin air filter out on our B8 S4. We're going to be using a Hank's charcoal activated filter. There are plenty of options for this that range in price. What I like about the charcoal activated filter is that it helps get some of those additional smells and dandery odors out of the air because that charcoal neutralizes the odors as the air passes through the filter. This DIY is incredibly easy. You don't even need any tools. You just need a couple of hands. I'm interested to see how this DIY goes because on this B8 S4, the cabin air filter is still factory original. On the B8 S4, the cabin air filter is located up and under the dash and the passenger footwell. So to get started, we're just going to take down a couple of foam panels using nothing but our hands. Here's the foam panel that we're going to remove. You can see the 3 black clips that you'll just rotate out with your fingers, and then we'll pull the foam panel down. These are made of plastic and not super strong, so you should have no problem unscrewing them by hand. They'll come out, they're not captive. The worst part of this job is working upside down on your back. With the screw removed, we'll just massage the foam panel down. Don't Incredible Hulk this because you may tear it. Again, it's just foam. This white plastic panel is holding our filter in. We're going to slide that to the side and then it'll drop down next. Note the triangle cutout here as we put the new filter in. You want to remember that that's on the right side facing you. Okay, so we have both filters pulled out here and on top of the table. I want to take a moment to show you old versus new. On the left here is old, this is what came out of the car, and on the right here is new. Again, we're using the Hank's charcoal activated filter that'll just keep the smells extra fresh as they come through, and that charcoal helps neutralize everything. But look at how dirty this is. On the surface, you may say, oh, okay, it's a little black, but what's the big deal? As soon as you spread the pleats, you see all this pollen and dander and pet hair. You're breathing that in if you don't change your cabin air filter. So again, this is a super easy DIY. Go ahead and change the filter. You'll get better smells and a better driving experience. So remember that triangle cutout goes on the right-hand side and the new filter goes in the way the old filter came out. I'm just going to massage it into the slot up under here in the dash. And then just feed it in a little at a time. All right, so our plastic clip is just going to go back in and retain everything up under the dash. Watch these locating tabs because they're going to lock in under these little clasps. And it's plastic. Do not Incredible Hulk this. That's it. Now we're going to put our foam back in. An easy way to remember which way it goes in is these divots for the clips have to be facing up like this. So if you imagine it going back into the dash. Now we're just going to screw in the plastic retainers. Again, we're dealing with plastic and foam. Do not Incredible Hulk any of this stuff back on. Boom, we're done. The only thing I might add to this DIY instructions is maybe stretch before you get started. That completes our cabin air filter DIY. It's super easy. It makes a really good first DIY experience. Maybe you're gonna be brand new to wrenching on your car, start there. You saw how dirty that filter was when it came out. You have no idea if it's a new to you car, how dirty that filter may be. Start there, increase your driving experience. Like, subscribe, and join us for more sweet car content.